Ronan, where did you get that tape? So you got the tape. What are you doing? What are you doing, Ronan?
Tape.
What are you doing with the tape?
Put in. Wow.
What are you trying to do there?
Hammer. Hammer. Hammer.
Ronan, what are you trying to do?
Hammer.
But what are you trying to do with the hammer? You fixing it? How's that tape working out for you?
Okay.
The tape is okay? Okay. I think you did a good job.
But different.
Is it broken?
No.
No? Then why are you hammering it?
It's broken.
It's broken? Which one's broken?
Different.
Why is it broken? Oh, that's why it's broken.